What's up, kababayan? We're about to check out Point Lobos State Natural Reserve. Point Lobos is just 7 miles of Monterey, California. It is one of the most gorgeous spots on the West Coast. Safely made it to Point Lobos. God bless and mabuhay. Visitors can learn about the history of Point Lobos in the small but mighty whalers cabin located on Whalers Cove. The cabin has been in existence since at least 1850. In 1897, marine biologist named Gensuke Cardano traveled from his native village of Chiba, Japan to Point Lobos and discovered an abundance of abalone. And together with Alan, they pioneered the first abalone industry along the California coast. Mabuhay! This beautiful place is great for hiking and wildlife. Park rangers and volunteers were super helpful and friendly. Okay, thanks again for joining. See you again for our next learning adventure.